Hello everyone, welcome back to my second video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about financial accounting, the definition, the usage, and the definitions. There is a lot of words, and I will give you examples and I will give you everything, so make sure you watch the full video, please. So let's go started. So the first thing, we should define what is financial accounting. So what is financial accounting? What do you think, guys? So the definition of financial accounting is this: the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, transcription, and transaction. The result. This is the definition of financial accounting. So first, we should start it from the first one, which is process. What is process? Process is serial of action. Like when a lot of actions do one special job and combine their all action, it will make a process. Like for an example, you go to shop, yes? So whenever you want to go, you have to say to yourself that I will go. Yes, I will go to shop and I will buy this. The first time you think about what should I do and what should I want there and what should I say to shopkeeper, what should he give me. So there is first, you wake up from your place, you sit down, you want to wake up. So wake up from that place, then walk through the door. So there, if you didn't open the door, can you go outside? Of course you can't. So the first thing and the most important thing, you have to open the door. So after opening the door, then you can go outside and go to shop, go to supermarket, go grocery, go everywhere. Go to school, go to educational centers, go to gym, go to soccer store, places where we can train. So this one is the most important thing. The first thing you just did was waking up from your places where you sit down. So after that you walk through the door, open the door, then go outside the door. Then what do you have to do? You have to do, or you have to go to shop, then ask shopkeeper, I want this. So if you didn't stand up from your place, can you buy something from your home? Of course you can. So first you should say to yourself that that I will, and I have to do it. So that's the most important. That was an example. So after that, it's a recording. So what's recording? Why we should recording? So there are three questions, most important question. Why we should start recording, from where we should start recording, and where we should start recording. So the first thing, then the first question, which is very, very important, is why we start recording. So why we start recording? To save the data of transaction. Like in their shop, you just order for thousands of like biscuits, everything. The total is 4,000 objects. So after ordering 4,000 objects, some customer came to your shop, then ask you, give me festival chocolates. One of my favorite chocolate is also festival. So festival chocolate, then he will say, oh, wait a minute, I forgot where I put it. So the customer, of course, he or she or never anybody will wait to you to find that festival chocolate. He will go to another shop and then buy it. So we should record it, where we should put it and why we should put it. Like first, in just one notebook we should write everything. We just sell that, we just got that and that. So the second one is from where we should start it. There are two books, like just like books, bills and Vicharia. So there, what is bills? is a written document to support of transaction. So for example, you're a boss of company. So from where we should start it? We should start it from there are two things, bells and vicharia. So what are they? There are is a written document to support the transaction, like the you're a boss and there are a lot of servers there, the work or workers there, they just came to you, they told you, give me the money or give me the money that I just got gave you. Like think about it, maybe customer came to your office, so he will ask you, I just borrowed you, maybe just for an example, he will ask you, or I just gave you $2,000. So you say, when did you just give me $2,000? So in that position, in this point, you became like this. Oh, what should I do then? I forgot. I forgot. When did I just borrow him? So that in this position, in this place, that is which is very important. There is a bill. There you have to write bill about everything, about selling, about getting products, about everything. You have to do this because this is the most important thing. So after that, if you had a bill which he writes that I just gave you $2,000 or borrowing you $2,000. So in that bill, everything written. He signed and you signed. Then after that, he came to your office and he will say, "I just borrowed you $2,000. So give me that $2,000." So if he didn't hide any bill about that time, he just borrowed you $2,000. Yeah, you take him a note, like a bill for that signing both of you and the person in office. So after that, when you just sign that bill, there is a bill which you that bill will support you because when you came to the officer and you just tells him that give me my $2,000, hurry up now. So he'll say, which $2,000? You didn't give me $2,000. So after that, when you show that bill that you just get over 1 years ago from him, so when you show that bill to him, he will give you definitely all of your money. That is, which is very important. There is bill that bill supports you. And the next question is where you should start recording. There are two books, journal book and cash book. What are these books? The first one, journal book, is a book which you write your daily transaction, and the second one is cash book. Cash book is a book which is used for cash transaction. So after that, we just know about recording, what is recording, where we should use it, from where we should start it, and where we should start it. So the next one and most important thing is classifying. What is classifying? Defining, dividation. This is called classifying. So in you just make any shop. In that shop, there are a lot of orders, a lot of products you just get from the like from the Amazon, from everywhere, from the any shop, and you want to make your new business. So there you just record everything, yeah, record is done. So after that, classifying, where we should put, like I will put festival chocolate in their own places. I will I will take the milk in their own position, everything in their own position. So after that, it is so easy to ask to find that product. Like a customer came to your shop, he will ask you, give me a festival chocolate. So you will say to him, okay, just wait 1 minute. So you just see the shop, where, there, I found it. So you just give that festival to your customer. So that is the most easiest one. So you have to classifying. That's why what is best and what's most important thing in financial accounting. So there are also three questions: from where we should start it, why we should start it, and where we should start it. So why we should start it, the first one, we will answer it. So to know about each account. So we know about each account after classifying, about each product, about each everything, about anything. So from where? From where there are two books that I just told you, journal book and cash book. And where we should start it. So where we should start it, there is a so general book for their own classifying positions is that ledger is a book which is used to classifying transaction. So after that we just learn summarizing. Summarizing is left, transaction is left, interpreting is left, transaction is left, and summarizing is left. So after that, after classifying, you just classified and record. So what is the most important thing after those recording and classifying? There is one most important thing after those is summarizing. Summarizing also has three questions: where we should summarize, why we should summarize, and from where we should start it. So why? To know about profit and loss, and to know about financial position, and to know about cash flow. So after that, from where we should start it. So from where we should start it, there is trail balance. There is from where we should start it, there is a trail balance. So after that trail balance, what is trail balance? Is a page show accuracy of Vocaria, a journal, and ledger. So there are three books also inside of trail balance. So there is a page show accuracy of Vocaria, ledger, and what is journal book. So after that, where we should start that? Where we should start that to financial statement. What is financial statement? Is a report which provide financial information about the business user. So their financial statement has three parts. So what are they? The first one is income statement, balance sheet, cash flow. So from the first one, what is income statement? Income statement show profit or lose of a business, of a company, of organization. And the next one is balance sheet. What is that? Show financial position of organization. What's next left is cash flow. What is cash flow? So cash flow show inflow and outflow of cash. It was so easy. We just learned about what was that? Classifying, summarizing, and recording. And the next one, which is interpreting. What is interpreting? Interpreting also has three questions: where we should start it, from where we should start it, why we should start it. So the first one is why we should start it for our future uses. Like in this month or in this year, my company was a little bit higher and we just got a lot of profit. So we will first interpreting all the system, all the things together. Our future plan will be kept so easy for us. If like in this year we just sell phones, phone was better performs for our company, then for future we have to start our business from phone, which because we had a lot of benefit on phone. and the phone have a lot of performance and best performance for our company. So after that, where we should start it? So all generated financial information about financial account. Where we should start it? To management letter. So one other thing which is left, it was which is very important. I will tell you in next video, which is very important, is transaction. What is transaction? So I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Thank you so much for watching my videos until end. If you have any question, comment below. And if you have any problem, you can comment, and make sure you subscribe our channel, like our video, and turn on notifications so you'll never ever miss the next video. See you.